and lo mali siyisebenzisa kanjani eyipi i-crash eyodwa ethi sizwe imali ephuma kwi-Sportbet i-crash eyodwa imapha ama-bridge esinawo Eastern Cape akhiwe imali esiyithole ngokugembula ekhukhula kade sinazo eLimpopo naseMpumalanga ibapha abantu abanikezwe ama-shelters ingubo zokulala warm food by inkampani zokugembula but they making so much money eSouth Africa sinengane ezihlele emakhaya because asinayo imali yokuregister ku-NSFAS le mali esiyithola through gambling GDP yakhona siyisebenzisa nini ukusiza lezo ngane why uNSFAS sekumsebenzi wakhe yedwa ukuthi afundise ingane kunabantu vese abathola into ekuthiwa sin money SIN money lo mali yenzani ngoba lo mali imali yamahala imali yesono yenziwani lo mali leyo why sinengane ngempela ehlele emakhaya manje ngoba abazali abanayo imali ukuziregister ema-varsity for NSFAS kunezinye izinto ngempela ozibona ukuthi yes it's a beautiful country by far compared to any I'm a patriot the country is beautiful I mean beautiful mina ngisanda ukubuza futhi ukuthi if uthi wena this country it's a west country compared to which country in Africa that you know you've never been in Africa you never traveled when ukwazi uhamba even 800 kilometers away from your house now you can't say that this country is bad because you've never been outside of this country ukwazi ube absent wena kulelizwe for 1 week ungekho eSouth Africa awukazi wena ufike esimeni sokuthi ufika ehotela Golden Peacock Hotel aliflasheki itoilet lakhona I repeat in Lilongwe Golden Peacock Hotel you cannot flush ama-toilet akhona because i-septic tank yakhona igcwele how's that I understand ufika lapha eGolden Peacock kubhaliwe ukuthi siyacela uma ukade wenza lento obuyenza ngapha eceni babe kubhini bathi isula lento kade uyisula uyiphonze la kubhini umusu usuya flash akhe kodwa uma uthatha i-toilet paper uyifaka lana yonke into izobuya ikhuphuka ithi how's that still usathi South Africa it's bad iliphi izolaziyo wena ongathi ufike uthenga aphule emgaqweni ulidle South Africa kuphela iSouth Africa kuphela iliphi izolaziyo wena ongafika uhlale phansi udle ushisa nyama nabantu bakhona iSouth Africa kuphela the rest amazozogula iliphi izona ongangena etoilet ugeze izandla uphuza amanzi etoilet iSouth Africa kuphela our water is clean I drink water from the bathroom I personally drink water from the bathroom there is nothing wrong with this I cannot hide that but if I leave this country I'll never drink water from the bathroom trust me never unless if I'm trying to commit suicide then I'll do that